Hi, I'm Nisha. I'm the owner and creator of Ottersoapcompany, and today we are making strawberry shortcake scented soap. I'm very ambitious, and this is the first time I'm attempting layers. And I don't know why I chose to do this in a big batch if I've never done layers before, so I was very interested in the way this soap was going to turn out. The design of this soap was inspired by this picture from Google, and I think you'll get a better idea of what I was going for once you see how I do this soap. The only colors I'm using in this soap is pink, white, and kind of an off-white. The only reason I'm doing an off-white is because this fragrance discolors to like kind of a caramel. I didn't want to go too dark, so right here I'm putting a little titanium dioxide in there to kind of offset the discoloration that'll happen later. And it took me a hot second to get this pink right. I was trying to decide which pink mica to use, and clearly the first pink mica I chose really did not do anything. So I had to go back to the other one that's kind of like a magenta color, but hopefully not try to use too much so it wouldn't be a hot pink instead of the kind of baby pink I was going for. Now I'm going to go ahead and tell you about some of the mistakes I made with the soap. Well, they're not as much mistakes as in things I forgot to take into consideration. Now when doing this, I only put the fragrance oil in the off-white, the batter that I made off-white, because I knew it was going to solidify fast, and I knew it was going to discolor. It was supposedly supposed to discolor to a kind of caramel or just tan color. That's why I did off-white, so I wouldn't become too dark. But in doing that, that was perfect. The problem was, when I want my batter to move faster, it goes slow. And I want my batter to move slow, it goes really fast. And since I didn't put the fragrance in the pink and white strawberry looking part, it moved really slow, and I had to wait for it to solidify before I could put the other tan cake-like batter on top of it. So when I went to put the tan batter on top of the pink and white marble, it sunk in a little bit, not too far down, but part of the cut of the loaf is messed up now because I didn't wait. And at this point, I waited a little bit longer until the batter solidified more, the pink and white solidified more. Then I added that on top, but that was really thick, so I kind of just had to smooth it on there like cake batter, which I thought was kind of funny. The white batter didn't have the fragrance, but it was set up so long that it ended up kind of getting thicker too, which is fine because I kind of wanted to go for like a homemade cake type look on top, so it was actually good for what I was trying to do. But yeah, I'm going to watch me smooth this out and play with it until I like the shape. I thought the top was kind of boring, so I decided to add some eco-friendly glitter to the top, gold glitter. And it added an excellent shimmer that made it look really edible and really tasty and smelled fantastic. Now I did accidentally drop some thicker splotches of glitter, so some of the bars have a little extra glitter than others, but they're all very glittery and very pretty and very, very shiny. Now this is our beautiful finished slab. It looks so cute, it looks so edible, it looks so pretty. I'm so excited about it. I'm so excited for you guys to try it. I intended to have minis for this, but it did not work out, so I have two full-size batches, but the batch does not have as much of a straight line as the slab loaves did, and you're going to see that later. So what I think I'm going to do with that batch is just sell them as discounted bars. So they're still perfectly fine to use, they still smell fantastic, they're just not aesthetically pleasing, I guess. So I'm definitely going to make those discount bars. these are supposed to be mini batch, but as you can see, there really isn't any tan batter on the top because the pink kind of just swirled up there and I had too much. So these are all of our finished loaves. They look so delicious. I'm so excited about it. I literally wanted to eat this when I saw it. It looks so freaking good. And the smell, oh my goodness, shout out to Nature's Garden. They make really good scents. And I love this scent so much. It just smells so fantastic, smells so edible. Everything looks so good. It behaves well. These are our cuts and what they look like in the inside. I'm of course also going to take this moment to ask you to please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like my video, comment, share, let me know what you think. Also follow me on all my social media platforms. Check out my online store. It's in the description and it's also in a link in my bio. And thank you for watching me and thank you for supporting my videos. Alright, these are the bars I am going to discount because of how high the pink batter was and how it kind of mixed into the brown batter was. And it didn't look as good as the full-size bars. Like I said, I do expect these bars to discolor, so I'm going to keep y'all updated in my shorts on my channel. But I just want to thank you all for watching, thank you for supporting me, and I hope you have a good day. Bye!